Hi everyone, my name is Rachel and I'm the Instruction and Archives Librarian at Blue Ridge Community College Library. In this video, I'll be going over one of our resources for career research, the Occupational Outlook Handbook. We'll be starting out on the library homepage, which you can get to from anywhere on the college website by selecting Services and Support in the black navigation bar and then selecting Library and Open Lab. Next, you'll scroll down until you see the gray boxes, and you can go at this two different ways. You can select A to Z database list or LibGuides. LibGuides are custom curated by our library staff for different classes and subjects. So as an example, if you go into LibGuides and scroll down to the P's and select public speaking and then online research, you can scroll down until you get to our career research resources and select Occupational Outlook Handbook. We're going to go at this through the A to Z database list. So the A to Z databases, these are alphabetized and they include all of our databases. And so you would just click on O and then select Occupational Outlook Handbook. The handbook is maintained by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics and is freely available online and doesn't require your Blue Ridge username and password to access off campus. You can use the handbook to look up a lot of information on different careers and fields like earning potential, education requirements, responsibilities, job outlook, and related fields. For this video, I'm interested in looking at nursing. When you're doing a search in the handbook, make sure you use the secondary search bar and not the upper search bar. This bar up here is going to search the entire Bureau website and will take you away from the Outlook handbook. So make sure you search in the search bar that says Search Handbook. So I'm going to put in nurse and then go. And it's going to link out to a variety of different options related to nursing. It's not just going to be registered nurses. It's going to have midwives and nurse practitioners, vocational nursing, assistants and orderlies, physician's assistants, anything that could be connected to nursing, it will list out as a potential career for you to look at. So play around and explore and have fun looking at the different options. Once you find one you want to learn more about and select it, you'll be taken to the career page that has all of these different tabs that you can explore further. So you can learn kind of a snapshot of their median pay and entry-level education requirements, but you can also learn more about their education under how to become one. You can get a more detailed breakdown of pay. You can get an understanding of what the job outlook looks like for the field you're interested in looking at. You can look at work environments. So what type of environment might you be working in if you chose this field? You can also select similar occupations if you're interested in the field, but it's not quite what you thought it would be, but you want to stay within like the healthcare world. You can click on similar occupations to see what else is related to nursing that you might be interested in. At the bottom of each page, you'll see a suggested citation box that you can use on your assignment as well. If you ever need help, you can email us at library@blueridge.edu, or you can go to our chat service, which is going to be located at the very bottom of the library webpage. It's called Ask a Librarian, and this is a 24/7 chat service, so you can ask us a question whenever you need help. Good luck!